In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Windows 11 default font. So to do this, you have to first pick a font. So go to Settings, and once you're here, click on Personalization, scroll down, and then click on Fonts. This is where you can see your system's fonts, and you can now just choose one. So I'm gonna just choose this one, click on it, and note the full name. So mine is called Berlin Sans FB. So make sure that you remember this and you type it in when you need to perfectly. So I'm gonna just exit out of here. And then what you need now is to open up a notepad and then type in this code. And where it says Arial, just change that to what you picked for your font. So I picked Berlin Sans FB. So just put the name here and everything else should be good. So now click on File, Save As, and then name this something like font changer.reg, and then change the save as type to all files, and you can put it somewhere. I'll put it in the desktop. And just so you have a recovery option, go to just replace this with Segoe UI, just like how it was before. So replace it with that, and then click File, Save As, and then call this Font Recover, and all files again, and that's it. So we can now save it there. And as you can see, you'll now see those two font changers, font recovery files you did. When you double click on one, it'll give you a prompt, just click yes. And then when you click yes here, the font will be changed internally, but to see the update, you'll have to restart your PC. Since I don't want to change my font right now, I'm going to just click no. But now you know how to do it. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.